currently in the process of driving the Milford Sound from Queenstown. Google Maps says it's about a 5-hour drive. However, being in a camper van and it being New Zealand, it might take a little bit longer than that. As we've been driving around, we've noticed that like we'll get to a lot of camper vans or we'll get to like tour buses, and they'll usually do about 80 to 90 under the speed limit. Well, I'm sorry, about 10 to 15 kilometers below the speed limit, which the speed limit typically outside of towns is 100 here. But it's completely understandable with some of these turns and like twists and turns with like the road. But yeah, so we have a few more hours until we're at Milford Sound. At Milford Sound, we're actually going on a Southern Discoveries cruise. So we're hoping to see a lot of wildlife. I guess it's raining in Milford Sound currently. So when we arrive, there should be tons of waterfalls flowing, hopefully. And supposedly, the boat we're going on drives the front end of the boat under a waterfall. And it's just to allow all the customers to go and stand under the waterfall. And so that'll be exciting. I don't know, I'm kind of excited for that myself.
Yeah.
These must be kiwi birds.
No, something else.
Ooh, is that a tunnel? Ooh, it's a tunnel.
Tunnel.
What?
Tunnel
Oh,
time.
no wonder it's black on the thing.
Single car tunnel.
Oh, it's black on the
On the GPS?
Oh, look at the
Waterfalls. Oh my god.
What the hell? It is so unbelievably pretty. Wow.
Come, Papa.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's a tunnel. We are driving through a tunnel to Milford Sound.
Is my lights on?
Yeah. You see it on the back of the car there. It's like pitch black in here. It literally feels like it just went to nighttime. We're 1,000 meters away from the exit. We're going downhill in the tunnel.
I wonder if it says 30 here.
Yeah.
So this is one way, so you have to wait for the lights.
Yeah, this had a red light on it.
So
You have
the
to wait
lights
for-
must be take ages because
Oh, there was water pouring down the sides of that.
Yeah, that side there's a metal thing there. I think
Yep.
there's a
Covers.
cover.
They're always probably working on the tunnel to maintain it. Like, it's not even like a perfect view. Like, there's like a perfect circle.
So
There's parts of it that are like torn upwards and.
So they've literally drilled through the mountain
Yep.
to make this
Tunnel to make it
tunnel,
easier to get to Milford
make
Sound.
it easier to drive through,
There's a fire extinguisher there on the side.
which is pretty necessary when it comes to tunnels. Nearly out of it, I think maybe.
It's taken us nearly 2 minutes to get out of this tunnel.
Ooh, I think there's glass windows, or what is this? Or,
What
it's
is
the little
this?
Side of the...
Oh, there's waterfalls pouring down the side.
Oh, wow. the tunnel. Oh, there's no one else.
Took us 1 minute and 50 seconds straight into foggy, and we're all downhill now. 25-mile-per-hour turns coming up, suggested. And there's all sorts of waterfalls just coming down.
Wow. Man, I wish it was better weather. Although there might not be as much waterfalls, who knows. No wonder someone told me like it's such a beautiful place to go to. You can see why. Where do you see this? Seriously.
You can't see this anywhere.
I have never ever seen mountains like this with 100 waterfalls like this. Everywhere you look is all waterfalls,
Yeah.
you know? I've never seen that before. It is a place you have to visit, definitely. Definitely. You have to come here.
The Chasm, 2 kilometers on the left. Take a step at that. If it looks interesting, we get closer. We're currently walking to the Chasm. Probably should have worn my hiking boots for this. Slippery rocks remain behind safety fence. Just so beautiful. The force of Mother Nature is just crazy. So cool how these rocks are like eroded away just from like years and years and years of water just pounding on it. Hundreds and thousands of years. peeking through in the rainbow.
Okay, so we bought some lamb cutlets from Pack and Save because we thought, you know what, we're in New Zealand, we have to have some lamb. We both hate lamb, but we thought, have a go. So we bought this, and we're trying to
trying to figure out how to cook it.
Figure out how to cook it. We just put some salt over it. I don't even know how to cook it and it's sticking to the pan, but anyway. Hopefully it tastes alright. Oh, it's burning.
Turn the temperature down then.
How do you turn it down? There we go. Oh, that's gone pretty well. So, anyway, we're going to try some lamb today. Either we'll love it or we'll hate it. We'll see.
All good?
So, the lamb, it's delicious. I think I'm a lamb fan now.